Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to remove background of any picture easily with just one click, and also how to edit that image easily. So let's get started. First go to Google Chrome and just type the website remove.bg. Just you type here remove.bg. Let me show here. You can observe the URL. Just type remove.bg, then hit. After that you will get a home screen like this, home page. In this it will ask you to upload one image. Just go ahead and upload image. As soon as you click, so it will show up your phone images. Then let me find. Now you can observe this is my picture. Just I am going to upload this one. So it is taking little time to upload. Now it is uploading. Now it is processing the image. Now you can see with just one click, as soon as I upload, it has removed the background of my picture. So in this way you can also remove background of any picture which you wish. And one more thing is you can also edit. Sometimes it may not remove exactly. Most of the times it will do the perfect job. In case 0.01% or 1%, if you feel there is an editing required for this image, then you can go ahead and you can edit here itself by pressing this edit button. Let me press this edit button, and it is loading. Now you can see in this screen we have background option, and in the background option you can find we have different types of backgrounds. If I wish, I can add this background. I selected this one. If I wish, then I can switch to another background easily. So here we have other option too. Here this is erase option, erase or restore option. Now I am pressing that option. Now we got two options, that is erase and restore option. Once if you press erase option, then what happens, let us see. We get one brush, so we can edit the part of the image. See, now you can see I am touching up here. Just I am erasing here this portion. So like this you can edit further also, and when you press close, it will close this editing. So hope you like this website, and you use this trick to remove your background of any image. Now I am pressing download button. So it is preparing download. It has given two options, that is share image and download image. I am going to download the image, then it will download in your phone memory. So in this way you can do image editing on the go. You can remove the background. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like this video. Please